Hey, what's going on, guys? So today's video is going to be directed towards Dodge Charger and Dodge Challenger owners. All right, and today we're talking about these two yellow bananas sticking off the front of the front splitter. So if you even if you don't own a Dodge Charger or Challenger, you may have seen one driving down the road, and sometimes you see them with these yellow things on the front splitter. Now the front splitter is this piece that's on the very bottom. And the point of this piece on the car is at high speeds, it catches the wind and pushes the front end down for more grip and traction. All right. When these cars are shipped from the factory to the dealers, they're shipped with these yellow things on here. Most times it's one on either side. Sometimes it's one solid piece that goes all the way across, but these are meant to be taken off. This seems to be a huge controversy among the car world. The only purpose for these pieces is to protect the splitter during transportation of the vehicles. Now, these were originally intended for dealers to take off, but they never do. They get lazy and they sell these cars with them on. They are extremely easy to get off. All right, there's two pins that are underneath. Basically pry the center part off and the pins pop out. Okay, I already took mine off. I just put these back on to show you what they look like. Now, if you look at these, they actually say on the front of them, let me get this to focus here. All right, get the light just right. To be removed by dealer. So you can see it right there. The dealers are supposed to take these things off. This is something that upsets some car owners. The issue is that some people have no idea they're supposed to come off. I don't know why, because it looks really dumb. It doesn't match anything. Some people like to keep them on even though they're supposed to come off. Now here's the issue with these, is that these actually cause damage to your splitter. When I got this car, I got it with 4,000 miles on it, and the original owner never took them off, okay? I got some little bit of staining that I can probably clean up once, obviously you can see it's wintertime. But once the warm weather comes, I can focus on that and clean up a little bit. But the issue is that as you're driving down the road and stuff, little grit and sand and dirt and muck and just all kinds of stuff get trapped in between these pieces and the splitter, and it actually damages the splitter. It holds in water as well, which will damage the splitter. All right, at the very least, even if you only drive on nice days and it never gets dirty for some reason, it will still fade in the sun, and you will always have the marks on your splitter, and you will eventually need to replace it or it'll just look dumb. So if you have these things, you're supposed to take them off the car. Okay, this is like buying, well, I want to say a VCR, but no one buys VCRs anymore. I guess maybe a DVD or Blu-ray player. And you know how sometimes, you know, electronics, the little screen have that little blue film. It's like leaving that on. It's not supposed to be there. You take it off. The only purpose is to protect it during transportation. Once you own it, you're supposed to remove them. So I personally think it looks horrible with the yellow things on here. Now, before I even owned a Challenger, I would see these driving down the road, and even then I thought, oh, those are probably supposed to come off. But now that I own one, I know for sure. And this is your little PSA. If you have these, please take them off. They look dumb and they're not supposed to be on there, and they actually will damage your car. So that's all. Just want to make that note. Obviously I already removed mine. You can see in this particular case, there's actually one pin that's on here. I thought I removed two. There might have been a larger one here. I don't remember. But they're just simple push pins. All right. And the push pins, and you can see even on here with the dirt, the line that is kind of left here. All right. So again, I will have to clean this up during the, you know, some other time when it's warmer out. But luckily there's no, you know, real damage underneath. It's just a little dirty around the edges there, so it needs a proper cleaning. But yeah, take these things off, guys. They're not supposed to be on there. I think they look horrible. Unless you happen to have, you know, a yellow Challenger, and it blends in so you can't see them, just get rid of them. They don't belong on there. So anyway, that's all. Just a quick video and public service announcement. Thanks for watching. Let me know your comments down below. Do you see Chargers and Challengers with these things on here? Which, by the way, people buy these to put back on their Chargers and Challengers. I don't know why, but I don't care about these. So if you want them, I'll sell them to you. Real cheap. But you could find these on eBay for like 30 and 40 bucks. That's just crazy. I don't get it. But like I said, in the car world, when people see these cars with these on there, they kind of get laughed at. I don't think they look good. Even if I did, I would probably take them off anyway. They're just not supposed to be there. So that's all. Let me know your opinions on it down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.